Mr. De La Serna napapaiyak sa takot dahil alam niya na nagsisinungaling siya at halatang halata na at bistado na siya ng mga kongresista. Kaya naman dito ay hindi niya alam ang gagawin dahil isang pitik pa lang o isang salita na lumalabas sa kanyang bibig ay pawang kasinungalingan lamang. Hindi katulad ni La Baterna at ng iba pang mga witness na nagsasabi ng katotohanan. Pero itong si Paterna meron siyang isang pangalan na ayaw niya daw madamay ang kaibigan niya. Pero binalaan siya ni Congressman Acop na kung hindi niya sasabihin ay mapipilitan silang na isit of contempt itong si De La Serna at ipapakulong. Kaya naman binigyan siya ng 1 minuto para sabihin ang katotohanan. Kung nagsasabi na nga ba siya ng totoo na nagrerenta lamang siya ng bahay doon or hindi, kasi nga unang-una pa lang ay sinabi niya noon na hindi siya nagrerenta at ngayon nagrerenta na naman daw siya dahil alam naman natin na itong si De La Serna daw ay ang inutusan ni Harry Roque na doon tumira sa Pogo. Kaya narito guys, panoorin natin ang buong detalye.
In what flying school? What flying school?
Sorry po, Omni Aviation po.
Sorry?
Mr. Chair. Omni
Ilapit mo.
Aviation.
Sorry?
Omni Aviation. Omni Aviation.
Omni Aviation. Aviation, di ba?
Yes
Tama?
po, tama po, Mr. Chair.
When was that?
November
Yung first enrollment mo was when?
November of last year po, Mr.
November 2023.
Chair. Yes po, tama po.
Kailan ka pumasok dun sa ano? Sa Pogo Hub.
November din po of the same of last year po, Mr. Chair.
So after enrollment or before enrollment?
After enrollment po, Mr.
After?
After enrollment po.
After enrollment. So November din. Okay?
Yes.
Mr. Chairman, can we direct the COMSEC to check the record of Mr. De La Serna to that flying aviation? Ano ba yan? Please repeat.
Omni Aviation po, Mr. Chair.
Omni Aviation. Flying school. Sa, anong address ng flying school?
In Clark, Pampanga po, Mr.
Clark,
Chair.
Pampanga. And until now, you're enrolled in that flying school?
Yes po. I have still a schedule po this week po, Mr. Chair.
When was the time that you rent a room for a boarding house?
May po, Mr. Chair.
May
Of this year po, Mr. Chair.
May of this year,
Yes po.
2024. And our record, kailan ba yung raid ng PAOK?
June po, Mr. Chair.
June. Alam na alam mo So,
Andun pa po kasi yung gamit ko, Mr.
so
Chair.
hanggang May ka doon, kasi nung June, ni-raid na.
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Do you have an intention, if the raid did not happen, do you have an intention to stay there?
No po, Mr. Chair. To be honest po, sabi po sa akin ni kasi for a short time lang because they have a ejectment case nga po sa property nila in, alam ko talaga Angeles yun, Mr. Chair.
So until May ka lang, when was the time that you rented that room or that boarding house?
Sometime in May po, Mr.
May
Chair.
din. Anong address?
In Barangay Anonas po, Mr. Chair.
Barangay?
Anonas po, in Angeles po.
Walang street, walang...
Hindi ako sure, sorry po, hindi ako sure, Mr. Chair.
COMSEC is directed, Mr. Chairman, COMSEC is directed also to check this address. If indeed, Mr. De La Serna is renting that place since May. Tama, May, di ba?
Nung May po kasi, Mr. Chair, hindi ako fully nag-grant pa. Nakikistay lang po ako sa...
Tinanong kita kanina, ka. Sandali, patapusin mo ako. Ito na ngayon. Wag kang sumagot kung hindi ka sigurado. Sige. Di ba sabi mo kanina, may ka nagrenta doon? Kaya nga ipacheck namin sa COMSEC, just to confirm if indeed, nagrenta ka doon sa lugar na yun last May.
Kularuhin ko po, Mr. Chair.
Sorry?
Nung May kasi po, ang dami ko po kasing kaibigan sa flying school. So, ayoko po muna mag-rent talaga kasi nga it's an expense on my part. So, nakikistay muna ako sa mga kaibigan ko.
So, ang tanong ko ngayon, when was the time that you rented that place?
Sinatanong niyo ba, Mr. Chair, is yung if mayroon akong contract of lease, kinaklaro ko lang po para maintindihan ko po yung sinasabi niyo.
Eh, di, kailan ka nagrenta doon?
Actually, hindi ako, nakikistay lang ako sa mga kaibigan ko doon,
Eto,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Lacerna, sinabi mo kanina, kahit doon sa kay Congressman Sonsing, that you rented. Ngayon hindi ka nagre-renta. You're just staying in your friends.
Yes po. Ang scheduling po kasi sa flying school po, Mr. Chair, is...
Sandali, I'm not asking you about the schedule of your flying school.
Yes po.
So you denied that you're renting that place. As what you have said when you were being asked by Congressman Sonsing.
Pakiulit po, Mr. Chair.
So you deny now your answer to the query of Congresswoman Sonsing.
Nung May po, Mr. Chair, nagstay muna ako sa kaibigan ko po. Tapos, last week lang po ako nag-rent on my own po.
Last week,
Yes.
anong address?
Yun po yung sa Barangay Anonas po, in Angeles po.
Pag-check lang, Comsec. And during that time, hindi ka na makapasok sa Pogo Hub. That was June of 2024.
Yes po.
Now it's August. Saan ka nakatira ng July? From June to July?
Doon po sa mga kaibigan ko po, Mr. Chair.
Saan yun?
In Angeles din po.
Sino mga kaibigan?
Mga friend ko po sa flying school.
Sino nga ang mga kaibigan?
Allowed ba kung
Please
magsabi
state
ng,
their name.
allowed ba kung magsabi ng pangalan ng ibang tao, Mr.
Of course.
Can I
Because we have to invite them.
Can I ask for legal advice from my legal
Oh,
counsel
yes.
po, Mr. Chair?
Dapat nga eh. Kailangan wala na akong type. Ito.
Mr.
What's the
Chair,
advice of your lawyer?
I am willing to give their names in private naman po to you
In?
po. In private po to you, Mr.
In private?
Yes.
Why in private?
For their privacy naman po, Mr. Chair. That's why I didn't...
Privacy. Well, in fact, they will be invited. In the next hearing.
Actually,
Eto, De La Serna, kanina pinapakinggan lang kita, kaya sabi ko, eto, kung sinungaling ka. And now, I am proving my, yung ano ko lang ha, kanina,
yes po.
that you're lying to Congresswoman Sonsing. Now, bakit hindi mo pwedeng sabihin ang pangalan?
Privacy po kasi nila yun, Mr.
Sorry?
Chair. Privacy po nila yun, Mr. Chair.
Ano?
Ayoko po lang idamay dito sa...
Eh, nadamay ka nga dito. Ano, you lied when you tell this committee a few hours ago na nagre-renta ka.
Nag-rent ako...
No, nag-rent ka ngayon lang.
Yes, last week lang po ako
Oh,
nag-rent.
but
to my
I'm
name po.
asking you, when Kong Swan Sing asked you, sabi mo nagre-rent ka. You
Starting last
never
week po.
tell this committee na ngayong buwan lang kasi ang critical months is November to May of this year.
Andun po ako sa Angeles po, sa Porac po, na property ng nila Ma'am Cassie po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, kaya nga, ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, sino yung kaibigan mo? Why you cannot disclose the names?
Ayoko pong idamay siya sa gulong itong na pinasok
Hey,
ko.
if you not tell us the name, I will move to cite you in contempt. Oh,
Pwede ko pong pag-isipan, Mr. Chair.
pag-isipan until when? Until you call them? Until you... Alam mo kasi...
Mr. Chair,
Yes, ay, sorry.
it's already past 10 o'clock. If Mr. De La Serna will not answer the question of the Honorable Paduano, I will move that we cite him in contempt. there's nothing involving national security for him not to answer the query of the Honorable Paduano.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Acop. Mr. De La Serna, this is your last warning. Please answer the query of Congressman Paduano.
Anong pangalan niya? Anong pangalan? AR?
You have 1 minute.
Suspended ba tayo?
AR, may pangalan ba o wala? Are you pretending to think about a name? Kasi, alam mo, nagdududa kami sa actuations
po, Mr.
mo.
Chair.
Ha?
Ayoko pong idamay yung kaibigan ko po.
Hindi naman siya madadamay. Imbitahan lang po natin siya kung talagang umuupa ka sa kanya. Yun na naman gusto ni Chairman
To
Paduano.
be honest po, Mr. Chair, this is
Ha?
very stressful.
Is there really a name or none at all? Kasi alam mo, sa tingin namin, you're just pretending na meron kang inuupahan doon. Kasi hindi mo masabi yung pangalan eh. Just tell us the name.
Mr. Chair,
What is the name?
I remember, Mr. Chair. Just to put into context, I was listening intently the question of Congresswoman Swansing, and it was very clear when she asked the witness, bakit nandoon yung mga gamit mo? Diba? When the raid happened. Ang sabi niya, in May, he rented a space. I think the raid happened in June. So maybe sometime there, nag-rent na siya. So ganun talaga yung pagkarinig ko rin na De La Serna, nagre-rent ka na dun sa space na yon. I mean, just near the ano. So basically, Mr. Chair, she was lying and maybe she lied to Congresswoman Swansing.
Mr. De La Serna, meron ka pang opportunity before we rule on the motion to cite you in contempt. Pwede bang sagutin mo yung tanong ni Congressman Paduano?
Eman po, Mr. Chair.
Again?
Eman po.
Give us the full name.
Eman Jorquales po, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Eman
Jorquales.
Jordanes.
Quales.
Can you spell the last name,
Pwede
please?
kong tingnan sa phone ko, Mr. Chair.
Ano, no?
Pwede kong tingnan yung spelling ng family name niya sa phone ko po, Mr. Chair.
Speak louder.
Can I look at my phone for the spelling of his family name?
Yes, but as long as you can give us the name, the complete name, the full name of your friend. Friend mo yan?
Eman Jorquales po. Juliet, Uniform, Romeo, Charlie Alpha, Lima, Echo, Sierra po.
Or did you get the full name, Congressman Paduano?
Mr. Chair, we direct the COMSEC to get the exact name of that person that was mentioned by
Comsec,
Mr.
kindly approach Mr. De La Serna and tell him to give you the full name of his friend.
And Mr. Serna,
including the address, Mr. De La Serna. And contact number.
Sorry po. Yes po, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
Mr. De La Serna.
Chairman, can I proceed? Last na maybe last or two. Mr. Lacerna, binigay mo na ba yung number ng friend mo? Comsec? Nasa'yo na ba? Mr. Lacerna, pag hindi mo binigay yung exact number, and we will call that number to confirm indeed that number is owned by that person, balikan kita.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Papasahit ka in contempt ulit ni Chairman Akop.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Yung address, binigay mo na ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, last. Oh, eto Mr. Lacerna.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ano, yung mention mong name, kaklase mo.
Kaibigan ko siya from Clark po, Mr. Chair.
Not your classmate.
No po, Mr. Chair.
Sabi mo kasi kanina, friends.
Friend ko from the aviation life ko in Pampanga po, Mr. Chair.
But he's not your classmate.
No po.
Pero sabi mo kanina, friends, or those other persons, doon ka ba nakatira sa kanya?
Yes po.
Sino kasama niyo doon sa bahay? Ano ba yun? Apartment?
Yes po.
Nirerentahan?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Mr. Lacerna, who pays your tuition and the school expense?
My family pays for it, Mr.
Sorry?
Chair. My family pays for it, Mr. Chair.
Your family? Pamilya mo?
Yes po. Pero may understanding po ko at Mr. Chair na kailangan ko po siyang bayaran pag naging pilot po ako, Mr. Chair.